Assalamualaikum. Today I'm with Mr. TJ. Yeah? Before we start, can you give an introduction of yourself?
Alright, my name is TJ Iskandar bin Abdul Aziz. I've been here in Unit 10 since 2003. Okay. Currently, I'm the director at the Digital Learning Center, DLC of Unit 10. In charge of the implementation of digital and flexible learning, DFL, since 2021. Blended learning from 2016. Okay. I'm also a lecturer from the Department of Informatics, specializing in multimedia, okay, audio, video production, photography, multimedia system technology, to name a few courses that I've teach. I'm also a certified HRDF trainer. Okay, I've been conducting training for Unit 10 since 2007. Okay, on the fields of pedagogy, blended learning, ODL, MC, MOOC, e-learning, educational technology, and so on. Okay. What else? I'm also an auditor for NQA, specializing in multimedia and virtual reality. And also an alumni of UKM for my first degree and my second degree.
Okay. What inspired you to specialize in digital learning, or what led you to?
Okay, we can say that this year is 2023, right?
Yes.
So after the MCO, the whole world was, I would say, introduced to digital and flexible learning, where we have to do everything online, right?
Yes.
So the center, or what I'm heading now, is specializing in to cater for the advancement in technology, accessibility, to ensure that everybody, all the students, lecturers, staffs, and so on, can get equal access to the internet, to the not to the internet lah, but to the digital and flexible learning, and also to promote personalized learning, so that and also what we call as nowadays as lifelong learning. Okay.
Can you share the responsibilities as a director of digital learning?
Okay, there's actually quite a number of roles that I'm in charge of. First is to develop and implementing a strategic vision and mission, okay, for the center. Overseeing program development, because right now we are currently developing micro credentials, and then MOOC, and also ODL. So I'm in charge of ensuring that the development of all these courses are smooth. The lecturers knows what they are doing. Managing resources. Maybe you have seen just now the green screen and whatever it is that we have for digital learning. And then monitoring and evaluation of to ensure quality of resources being developed, and also to collaborate and have partnership with let's say, for example, JLU members, MMU, UniKL, and UTP, and also other universities lah.
So what's your opinion about the future of digital learning?
I would say that this would be the next best thing that happen besides ChatGPT, the AI, and so on, right? So digital learning or digital flexible learning will stay for the next maybe 10-20 years. Is a thing of the future. Okay, you'll be seeing continued growth in terms of like what we have just now. Back in a few months, we have ChatGPT and so on, right? And then maybe in terms of blended learning approach, which has been for quite a while, personalized, and what we have as adaptive learning, where your name, what's your name? Asfa. Okay, let's say for example, Asfa, you have personalized and adaptive learning. So the system will be tailored based on your needs and also your achievement. Okay, so the system, the LMS will know that you score, let's say, 85 for this subject, and so the learning path will be made specially tailored for you. So that is what we are talking about for the future lah. Okay, and of course, lifelong learning and upskilling of your skills.
Okay. Next, what are the main challenges of digital learning in education and the strategies to overcome?
Alright, so basically the normal I would say, not to say problems but this is what we encounter in terms of technological infrastructure. So some universities might be facing this problem. So to provide technological infrastructure, literacy and digital skills, and then to provide trainings for the academic staff as well as to the students. Okay, to maintain student engagement, whether let's say for example when we are having our meeting, online meeting, okay, we can only see names and faces, but how do we ensure that the student maintain their interest and they are actually learning from the session, and to ensuring what we call as equitable access, meaning that every single staff, students and so on have equal access regardless of their location, whether wherever they are in Malaysia or in the world, they have access to our system and to our learning sessions and so on. Okay. And in terms of challenges, I would say to overcome all this, of course, infrastructure, we need to provide infrastructure lah. Okay. We have to provide training to ensure that they have digital literacy. Maybe to provide training on pedagogical support as well, and also for the lecturers to create engaging and interactive content, okay, for the student. Inclusivity, accessibility, like I've said just now, to provide access to all, and then regular assessment and feedback, and also to collaborate and community building plus research and evaluation. So there are quite a number of strategies that we can use to overcome all these challenges.
I believe that's all we have for you. Thank you so much for your time and
Okay.